Welcome back. I think we had a break to relax and see if our minds and brains can digest what we have learned in the previous units. Now we are going further now to look at another unit that is relevant and related to education technology. This is Unit 5. Unit 5, basically, we are looking at information and communication technology in distance education. How is ICT utilized in distance education? And then we shall go further now to discuss what is distance education. Okay. So now going to the introduction and maybe start talking about introduction, education technology. Basically, really we dwelt much on it. And then we say this technology has a place with the ICT and it is important in distance education. For this reason, distance education is gained by the attention of many institutions or countries. What is distance education, first of all? This is a type of education system where learners access education from the distance, from various locations of the country or in the world, wherever you may be. When you're on distance education, you can receive your knowledge, you can receive your teaching from various locations. Okay, we have seen the increase in the number of institutions introducing distance education. Me coming from Gideon Robert University, we have distance education, or some they call it open and distance learning, program, ODL. Okay, so this has come on board also to facilitate our teaching and learning processes, so that we achieve high quality education. So in this unit, students, I would like you to concentrate more and understand. You should be able to define what is ICT, information and communication technology, in relation to distance education. This you must grasp and pay attention as we proceed in this unit. So the force behind this success basically has been necessitated by the use of different available ICT technologies. So we see that this distance education, it was not going to be promoted, or it was not going to perform very well if it was not using the different ICT technologies. So during the introduction of the distance education, we saw that ICT played a critical role in trying to address the teaching and learning processes. Okay, so it is therefore important for us to consider distance learning and the use of ICT in its operation. These two operate together. Okay, they work together to facilitate the teaching and learning processes.